Okay, let me get back to the worksheet because this was a problem. One of the problems, that is. Let me do another one. So now let's consider number 4. Here, a button they tell you is being pressed on a computer, okay? So you have a button being pressed on a computer. Excuse me. And it's spitting back at you. The computer, that is giving you back a random odd number, greater than 1 and less than 9. Let's say you press the button twice, okay? So here, our experiment is pressing that button twice, right? And what numbers can the computer give you back each time? Well, the computer can give you back 3, 5, or 7. So each time you press that button, the computer is going to give you back number 3, number 5, or number 7. Yeah, let me get my whiteboard again. Okay. So I gotta unshare this. Okay. Bear with me. Okay, here we go. So the computer, so I guess what is this, number 4? Okay. So that computer is going to give you back each button. You're going to get back 3. You're going to get back 5. Or you can get back 7, right? 3 options, 3 possibilities. That's better. But you're pressing it twice, right? So this is the first press, I guess. See if I can I write that? Yeah, first press. For the second press, same thing, 3, 5, or 7. Come on. Oh, thank goodness. Got nervous. I thought it would stop sharing. Okay. How many possible outcomes are there going to be then? Each time you press the button, there are 3 possibilities, right? We're pressing it twice. How many possible outcomes are there altogether? Someone said 9. Okay. 9. There are 9, right? Remember, we're multiplying. There are 9 possibilities again. There's 3 possibilities each time, okay? So we multiply. You don't add, you multiply. A few people in the other class added also, so by the counting principle, right, we're going to have 9 possibilities. Now, what I'm going to do next is list them, okay? Let's do that. All right, let's see. Can everyone see? Okay. So let's see. I'm not going to use a tree. I guess well, let me do it this way. I'll do it the same way I did for the other class. Wait, let me move it over a bit. Here we go. So I'm going to use ordered pairs, okay, for the numbers, just to make it easier. We have 3, and we have, what else can we have? We can have 3. That's a possibility, right? We can also have 3 and 5. That's another one. The first time you press, you get 3. The second time, you get 5. And you can have 3, 7. Right? That's a possibility. What about this? We can have 5 and 3. We're listing all these different outcomes, okay? 5 and 5, comma. Then we have 5 and 7. I'm trying to list it in a systematic way. I mean, yeah, we could use a tree if we wanted to. Let's try it this way. So then after that, we have 7, 3. We have 7, 5, right? And we have 7, 7. And that is our set. That's our sample space. We have 9 possible outcomes. We have all 9 here. That's what we have here. Okay, that was fun. Let me do this. All right. Okay, so I have to ask now if it makes sense. So let's see what's happening here. I really hope it does. You can be honest though. I'll just want to make sure it's making sense. I mean, later I will send out the answers for the worksheet. I don't want to send it out now, obviously. So it's not to hand in for homework. Don't worry. Okay, most people, let's see, the ones that are answering it does make sense. So I guess that's good. So I really want everyone to understand this. I know probability is not easy. I understand that. All right. Okay, let me do the next. Let's consider the next one then, the next example. So here's this one with the spinner, right? Yeah, the spinner. This will be the last one. I mean, this was the last one I did with the other class as well. So for the spinner here, right? For the spinner, right? I guess you it's a spinner and the arrow or whatever it is, it can land on either red or blue, right? Red or blue. How many outcomes is that? That's 2 for the first. Let's say also you roll a 6-sided die. You're rolling a 6-sided die as well. So from the spinner, you get 2 outcomes, red and blue. From the die you're rolling, you can get 6 outcomes. So how many outcomes are there going to be altogether? Well, let's take a look. Let me just quickly do this. Oh, doing like a poll, but it's a multiple choice one. So yeah. Okay. It's a little multiple choice. Choose the answer that's right. Okay. Think about the counting principle, right? What did we do to get the outcomes? What math operation we used. Okay, this is for number 5. So how many outcomes are there? Right, you have 2 from one, 6 from the other. You have 2 from one task from the spinner, noting the color it lands on. You have 6 from rolling the die. 2 and 6. Okay. Let's see, so people are answering, it looks like. Some people are saying 9, some people are saying 8. Anyway. Well, let's see. 4 people are saying 12, and they're right. So 12 is the answer. Okay, now why is that? Because again, you're multiplying. Let me get my whiteboard thing out. Okay, let me share my screen. Here we go. Okay, let me just move this up. Oh, boy. Right, there's going to be 12 because again, what was number 5? I think it is. Yeah. Well, anyway, here, that's okay. So from the spinner, right, we can get either red as a possibility, or we can get blue. So R is red, B is blue. From the die, right, we can have any of these numbers, It's a 6-sided die, and they tell you it's fair. So, pause the recording.